Meaning of Eastern Orthodox Church.
Eastern Orthodox Church.
Eastern Orthodox Church.
Eastern Orthodox Church.
Eastern Orthodox Church. The Eastern Orthodox Church, also known as the Orthodox Catholic Church, is a Christian denomination that traces its origins to the Eastern Roman Empire. It is one of the three major branches of Christianity, alongside Roman Catholicism and Protestantism. The Orthodox Church places great importance on tradition and the preservation of teachings passed down from the apostles. They have a hierarchical structure, with the patriarchs of Constantinople, Alexandria, Antioch, and Jerusalem being the most prominent leaders. The Orthodox Church is primarily centered in Eastern Europe, the Middle East, and Africa.